Hello, it's Thursday, December 15th, and I'm Natalie Woods with your MaxiForex Daily News. The dollar rose against the major currencies, and Wall Street remained low for a third straight day after growing stress in Europe fueled concern that the region is struggling to contain its sovereign debt crisis. Wall Street closed negative as the Nasdaq decreased by 1.55% and the Dow Jones by 1.10%. Crude oil fell by 5.2%, closing at $94.95 a barrel. Gold fell by 4.60%, closing at $1,589.90 an ounce. The euro fell below 1.30 against the dollar as signs of increased funding stress in Europe damped investor appetite for the currency. The euro-dollar's trend is negative after breaking 1.3150 level, and the next support level on the 1-hour chart is located at 1.2940. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 1.2945 and with a high of 1.3064. The euro-dollar last traded at 1.2989. The pound was not constant versus the dollar, closing with losses as the negative momentum of the global market drifted the pound into its weakness. As long as the pound dollar is trading below the 1.5540 level, the pound's momentum is bearish. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 1.5408 and with a high of 1.5531. The pound dollar last traded at 1.5447. The yen fell versus the dollar and strengthened against the euro as risk aversion remained lower following the debt crisis news, which led the traders to prefer safety assets. The US dollar-Japanese yen has been trading within a narrow range in the past week, and as long as the pair is trading above the 77.50 level, the dollar is more attractive. Overall, the US dollar-Japanese yen traded with a low of 77.92 and with a high of 78.16. The US dollar-Japanese yen last traded at 78.06. The Canadian dollar weakened to its lowest point in more than 2 weeks against the dollar. As long as the pair is trading above the 1.0250 level, the US dollar's momentum is strongly bullish. Overall, the US dollar CAD traded with a low of 1.0327 and with a high of 1.0423. The US dollar CAD last traded at 1.0384. Thank you for joining us today. For more information, please visit us at MaxiForex.ru for all your online trading needs. I'm Natalie Woods, wishing you a happy trading.